Hello friends, today our topic is tips of hammer throw to be remembered. Tips means the pointed cap, top or crown is called tips. Of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of. Hammer throw. Hammer throw is a metallic ball which is attached by a steel wire is called hammer throw. 2. Expressing the motion of particular place. B. Exist or occur. Remembered, recall or able to bring to one's mind and awareness is called remembered. Few important tips to be remembered in hammer throw means few means small amount, important, great significance. 2. Expressing the motion of particular place. We exist or occur, remembered, recall or able to bring to one's mind and awareness. In means inside. Hammer throw is a metallic ball which attached with a steel wire is called hammer throw. The tips of hammer throw are as listed below. Tips means the pointed cap, top or crown of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called of. Hammer throw is a metallic ball which attached with a steel wire is called hammer throw. As or as listed below, listed means marked below as under. Diameter of the hammer throwing circle means the thrower must remain within the circle until the hammer touches the ground and must wait until that implement is on the ground to able to get out of the back half of the circle is equal to 2.135 meter. Diameter of hammer for men means circle is a straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and where endpoints lie on the circle. That is called a diameter. Diameter of the hammer for men is equal to 110 millimeter to 130 millimeter. Diameter for hammer for women's means circle is a straight line segment that passes through the center of the circle and whose ends points lie on the circle. That is called a diameter of the hammer for women 95 millimeter to 110 millimeter. Weight of the hammer for men mean relative mass of the hammer for men 7.260 kg. Weight of the hammer for women 4 kg means relative mass of the hammer for women is 4 kg. Length of hammer wire for men means the measurement of or extent of something and length of hammer wire for men is equal to 117.5 centimeter to 121.5 centimeter. Length of the hammer wire for women means the measurement of or extent of something end to end. That is, hammer wire for women is equal to 116 centimeter to 119.5 centimeter. Sector angle of hammer throw. Sector angle of hammer throw means the landing sector is laid from the middle of the circle with an angle of 34.92 degree and marked by 0.05 meter wide white lines. Thanks and have a nice day.